Algebra, chapter number 5, probability. This chapter is the easiest chapter of your book. In this, first we will start with the basics. Now, random experiment, sample space, and number of space. Now, first, random experiment, like one coin is tossed. When one coin is tossed, you know there are only two possibilities, either it will come tail or head. So, we'll assume head be H and tail be T. So, when one coin is tossed, the total probabilities, total sample space, S will be the sample space. Sample space is S, and S will be head or tail. It means there are only two possibilities. So I can write number of sample space equal to 2. When two coins are tossed, how many possibilities are there? There are 4 possibilities. Sample space, like in first coin head, second coin also head. In first coin head, second coin tail. In first coin tail, second coin head, and in both the coin tail. Right, so there are how many possibilities? 4 possibilities. So number of S equal to 4. When 3 coins are tossed, now when 3 coins are tossed, how many total sample space? Now how many possibilities are there? So we will go in decreasing order of heads. Now first of all, we'll assume that all 3 are heads. In all 3 coins, all 3 are heads. H, H, H. Now this possibility is over. Now 2 head. 2 head. Now this 2 head can be first 2, first and last, or last 2. That means the remaining part is tail, tail, and tail. Correct? So these are the possibilities of 2 heads. The next, 1 head now. So 1 head, so first head, middle head, or last head. So when first is head, the other 2 are tail. The first is middle is the head. The first and the last one is tail. If last one is the head, the first and second one are tail. Okay, and now even this possibility of single head is also not. Now no heads. Possibilities of single heads is over now. Now no heads. No heads means there is no head. So only tail, tail, tail. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 possibilities. So number of S equal to 8. So there are 8 possibilities. Hope you understood this thing. We can find out definitely this possibilities, you should be sure about it, but then too you can find out the number of possibilities without writing this, or you can just confirm whether all the possibilities have come or not. Now how you can find out? There is a method. See, a coin has 2 faces. One is head and the second is tail. A coin has 2 faces. One is head and the second is tail. So 2 faces, and how many time we are tossing it, or how many coins are tossed? 1 coin is tossed, only 1 coin. So raised to 1. 2 faces raised to number of times or number of coins. So 2 faces of coin, 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. So equal to 2. Now 2 coins are tossed. 2 coins are tossed. Now first, each coin has how many faces? 2 faces. How many times they are tossed? Either 2 times 1 coin is tossed, or 2 coins are tossed. So number of faces raised to number of coin or number of time. So number of coins are 2. So 2 raised to 2, 4. And there are 4 possibilities. When 3 coins are tossed, 3 coins, every coin has 2 faces. So faces raised to number of coin, and how many number of coin are there? 3. 3. 2 raised to 2 raised to 3 is 8. So we got 8. Hope you understood this technique. Next, a die is thrown. A die is, die when you play a ludo or snake and a ladder. At that time you use a die which has 6 sides and the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A die is thrown. So total sample space S, and the possibilities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of S equal to 6. When two dice are thrown, single is called die and two are called dice. It is a plural form. When two dice are thrown, so we'll assume the first, now 2 means 2 digit we have to write. First digit will assume to be constant, which is 1 right now for first 6. Now it might be 1 1, it means both the faces are 1. It might be 1 2. In first die is 1, in second die 2. In first die 1, second die 3. In first die 1, second die 4. In first die 1, second die 5. In first die 1, second die 6. So 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5 and 1 comma 6. As you know, dies cannot be, like, the faces of the die cannot be more than 6. The next one. Now 1 is over. The first place of 1 is over. Now first place of 2. The other place we will repeat. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Correct? Next 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 3, 7 will not be possible, right? So directly now 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2. Now 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Next is 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. That's all. So these are the possibilities. Yeah, these are the possibilities when two dice are thrown. So number, if we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36. So number of S equal to 36. Now there is one more method, the same method. A die has how many faces? A die has 6 faces, right? So faces 6, and how many dies are there? A die means one die. So 6 raised to 1, 6 raised to 1, and 6 raised to 1 is 6. So see, number of S is 6. 2 dice are thrown. Each die has how many faces? 6. How many times they are thrown? Either 2 times or 2 dice are thrown. So number of dice are 2. So 6 square 36. Now can you guess about when 3 dice are thrown? You don't have to write. When they are 3 dice are thrown, you don't have to write, because there are many possibilities or many samples, many points are in sample space. Now 3 dice are thrown. So each die has face 6 and 3 are thrown. So 6 raised to 3, and which is 216. Directly we will write directly 216. So 216 possibilities are there. Generally this type of sum they don't ask, but if they ask, you don't have to write this sample space. No, directly you can write, as there are 3 dice are thrown, total sample space will be 6 raised to 3, which is 216. Directly you have to write. For the next, a coin and a die is thrown simultaneously. A coin and a die. Okay, so total sample space be S. So S equal to, now we will assume head is the constant and the number on die will change. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6, tail 7, tail 8, tail 9, tail 10, tail 11, tail 12, tail 13, tail 14, tail 15, tail 16, tail 17, tail 18, tail 19, tail 20, tail 21, tail 22, tail 23, tail 24, tail 25, tail 26, tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, and tail 6. So how many possibilities are there? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number of S 12. Now how to find it? It is also easy. A coin and a die is thrown. Coin has how many faces? Two faces. Coin has how many faces? Two faces. As a coin has two faces, and how many coins are tossed? One coin. Similarly, into die. A die has six faces, and how many die? One die is tossed. So 2 raised to 1, 2, 6 raised to 1, 6, and 2 6 are 12, and that's why it is 12. Okay, this your school teacher might not teach you this thing. Hope you understood this, how to find total sample space, and then you can match, as there are 12 sample space, so there should be 12 possibilities. 36 sample space, so there should be 36 possibilities. Okay, now let's learn about the cards. This is called a pack of card. There are 52 cards. Now these are well shuffled card. Are you getting it? So there are actually two colors, red color and black color. Okay, red color are of two type. The first one is heart and second is diamond. These cards are of heart and this card is for diamond. Similarly, other two black cards are of club and a spade. This is club and this is a spade. So total these type of cards are there for each of them. I have not kept all of them, but these type of cards are there. This is called ace. This is second, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as usual. It is called ace. Okay, this is called jack, queen, this is queen, and this is king. Jack, queen, and king. And such cards are there for spade also, for club also, and for diamond as well. Okay, so total 13, fours are 52. 52 cards are there, out of which there are only 1, 2, 3. 3. Right now, these are called face card. What do you mean by face card? Face card means the card which has face on it. You can see the king, queen, and jack. And remaining are numbered card. But ace is also not a numbered card because there is no number on ace. Hope you understood this. Similarly, there are 52 cards now, 26 red and 26 black cards, 13 heart, 13 diamond, 13 club, and 13 spade. So let's start with this an experiment. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. So first one for heart. Right, we will assume for the heart, the card of heart. So there are ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then jack, queen, and king. And similarly, next for diamond. And for diamond also same all these cards. Okay, for next is club. And for club also all the same cards. And the last one is spade. And they are also same. So there are total 52 cards, out of which 26 are red card and 26 are black card, and then they are further divided into certain categories. So in short, number of sample space of the card, number of S, equal to 52 cards. Okay, so let's start with the first exercise. 5.1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Now the first case, Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. First one is Ajinta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tandoba Wildlife Sanctuary. This is the fourth one, first, second, third, and fourth. Amboli is fifth one, Raigad is sixth one, Matheran seventh one, and Andan one or Andhar one. Okay, but it is Andan one, and which is seventh one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Total 8 are there. So here 8 sites of Maharashtra are given. Now she wants to visit any one side, one of them. So how many possibilities are there? Common sense, how many choices are there? 8 choices are there. It means there are 8 possibilities that she can go to any one of this to visit or for visiting. So therefore there are 8 possibilities. In a random experiment of visiting a site out of 8 sites of Maharashtra. That is the answer of the first one. Means short, there are 8 possibilities. The next, any day of the week is said to be selected randomly, and we know that a week has 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So 7 days. So any one day can be selected. So we'll write there are 7 days in a week. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There are 7 days in a week, therefore there are 7 possibilities. There are 7 possibilities in a random experiment of selecting a day of the week. Okay, so there are 7 possibilities are there. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. Already we have seen all the cards, total 52 cards, and we are selecting one card. So it means there are how many possibilities? 52 possibilities. So solution. There are 52 cards in a pack of cards. Therefore, there are 52 possibilities. In a random experiment of selecting one card from the pack of 52 cards. The next one, fourth one. The one number from 10 to 20 is written on a card. Now 10 to 20. 10 to 20 means how many numbers are there? You might be thinking 10. No. But 10 is included and 20 is also included. 10 to 20. Right? So total 11 numbers are there. So numbers between, we'll write for solution, the number between or number from 10 to 20. From 10 to 20 are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. These 10 and this one 11. So therefore there are 11 possibilities of a random experiment of selecting one card from the given set of cards. This is the end of exercise 5.1. These sums are very easy and just of 1 mark. Even if you just write number of possibilities, like there are 52 possibilities, there are 11 possibilities, then too it is okay because they are just of 1 mark. Exercise 5.2. For each of the following experiment, write the sample space S and number of sample point number of S. So total sample space is S and sample point are number of S. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. We have already done in activity. Now one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. So sample space equal to S. Therefore S equal to, now we have seen that we will start with a constant head and then constant tail. So constant head 1, constant head 2, this 1 2 numbers are of number in die. Constant head 3, constant head 4, constant head 5 and constant head 6. And for similarly now tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5 and tail 6. Now flower bracket close. So these are the sample space. Also we have to write number of S. Therefore number of S equal to 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and 6 12. And we know one more technique. What is one more technique? Number of faces, like a coin. Coin has 2 faces. And how many coins are there? 1 into a die. A die has 6 faces. And how many dies are there? 1. Now 2 raised to 1 2, 6 raised to 1 6, 2 6 are 12. So total sample space will be 12 only. The next, 2-digit numbers are formed using digit 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. So we will keep 2 as a constant, then 3 as a constant and 5 as a constant in 2-digit number, and remaining digit we will keep on changing. Let's start with the solution one. So sample space equal to S, Therefore s equal to, first we will keep 2 as a constant, so 23. Now digits are not repeated, so 22 you cannot write. The first one 2-digit number is 23, then 25, 25. That's all. Next 3, 32 and 35. The next one is 5, so 52 and 53. That's all. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore number of s equal to 6. Number 2, the arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. Find out which color it may stop. Now there are how many colors? 1 2 3 4 5 6 colors. It can stop at any color, right? So total number of sample space will be 6 only. So we'll start with, there are total 6 colors. There are total 6 colors. Let sample space be S. Therefore S equal to, what are the colors? Red color, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes. So therefore number of s equal to 6. Therefore arrow may stop on any one of these 6 colors. This is the end of second sum. Now third sum. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is multiple of 5. We need to write the days on which the date is multiple of 5. So date multiple of 5 are 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30, and we have to write all these days. So before that we will write the dates which are multiple of 5 in the March 2019 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30, and therefore S be the sample space showing days on above dates. Days on the above dates. So S equal to, now we'll start with the first one, Tuesday. Tuesday is on 5th. Then Sunday is on 10th. Then on 15th we have Friday. On 20th we have Wednesday. On 25th we have Monday. And on 30th we have Saturday. Therefore number of S, now we'll count 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6. So answer, the days on which the date will be multiple of 5 are Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday. This sum is of 1 mark, so even if you just write till here, it is okay. The next one, the fourth one. Form a road safety committee of 2 from, now we have, there are only 2 members in a committee, but thus the representative are from 2 boys B1 and B2, candidates B1 and B2, and 2 girls G1 and G2. So out of these 2 boys and 2 girls, we have to select any 2 person for road safety committee. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. The committee of 2 boys. The committee of 2 boys B1, B2. So if you don't include girls, then the committee of 2 boys will be B1, B2. If you don't include boys, then the committee of 2 girls will be G1, G2. But the committee of 1 boy and 1 girl will be, if you think that B1 boy should be there, so B1, G1, first boy with first girl, first boy with second girl, or second boy with first girl, second boy with second girl. So these are the possibilities. So total sample space, now total sample space are these all 6 possibilities from both the boys, so B1, B2, both the girls G1, G2, 1 boy 1 girl, so B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1 and B2, G2. And this is the end of sample space, and this is the end of exercise 5.2.